Tired of rigid web forms that are hard to change and even harder to manage? Or maybe you're spending too much time on manual data entry and inefficient processes. What if I told you that you could build powerful, dynamic web forms designed exactly how you need them that seamlessly collect data directly into your Google Sheets, all without writing a single line of code? Welcome to our dynamic Google Sheet form solution. This isn't just a simple Google form, it's a fully customizable web application powered by the simplicity of Google Sheets. Every field you see on this form is type, its placeholder text, even drop down options are controlled right here in the form sheet. Let's dive into how easily you can customize this. First, the settings sheet is your command center. Want to change the form's title? Just type your new title here. In cell 2, form title, no coding, just simple text. Let's refresh our web application. See, the title updates instantly. You can also easily change the submit button text and the entire form's theme color entering a new hex code. It's all about putting control directly into your hands. Need to simplify your form? Or perhaps add more fields? It's incredibly flexible. Watch this. If I remove several rows from the form sheet, like date of birth and country fields, and then refresh my form, you'll only see the full name and email field. It instantly adapts. And adding a new field is just as easy. Simply add a new row with a unique form ID, a placeholder for the label, and define its type. For example, let's add a "How did you hear about us" field with a text type. And remember, for the form ID, use lowercase without spaces. That's how the system links your data. Now let's refresh the form again. And there it is. Our new "How did you hear about us" field ready for input. This dynamic capability also extends to complex field types like dropdowns. Notice the country dropdown. It currently has options like India, United States of America, and United Kingdom. To add a new option like Spain, I simply go to the form sheet, find the country row, and add Spain to the options column, separated by a comma. Is that straightforward? Refreshing our web app, you'll see Spain is now a selectable option in our country dropdown. This flexibility ensures your forms always match your current business needs. But it's not just about content, it's about presentation too. Our settings sheet lets you control the form's layout. You can change the number of rows and columns to perfectly fit your content. Let's change the layout to 3 rows and 2 columns. A quick refresh, and behold, your form instantly arranges itself into a professional 2 column layout. And if you need even more density, you can set it to any columns that you like. Now for the most important part, data submission. Let's fill out the form completely. Let's fill out the form completely, including choosing a profile picture for upload. Once I hit submit, watch what happens. Form submitted successfully, and just like that, all your data, including the timestamp, appears neatly organized in your responses sheet. No manual copying, no errors. And for those important files, like profile picture, they're automatically uploaded and saved directly into your designated Google Drive folder. You paste the folder ID into your settings sheet once, and it handles the rest. This dynamic Google Sheet form is a game changer for small to medium businesses. It means no developers needed, rapid deployment, fully customizable forms, automated data entry directly into your sheets, and seamless file uploads to Google Drive. It's about empowering you to streamline operations, save time, and focus on growing your business. And this is just one example of how we empower businesses with smart Google Workspace solutions. Do you need to automate even more of your daily workflows? Then check out our suite of Google Workspace add ons designed for efficiency. AI Assist for Gemini in Google Sheets, Docs, and Forms. Harness the power of AI to analyze your data, generate content, and accelerate your productivity right within your favorite Google apps. Smart certificates automate the entire process of creating and distributing personalized certificates for your courses, workshops, or achievements directly from your Google Sheet data. Smart Label Maker effortlessly generate and print custom labels for shipping, organizing, or branding using data from your spreadsheets. And Smart Mail Merge send personalized email campaigns to your clients or employees, dynamically pulling data from your Google Sheets to create professional communications at scale. Ready to transform your business operations and save countless hours? Click the link in the description below to get started with our dynamic Google Sheet form solution today. And don't forget to explore our other powerful add-ons that can revolutionize your Google Workspace experience. You can also have a look at our other app script solutions, such as user login and management within Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow business owners, and subscribe to our channel for more innovative solutions. See you in the next video. Thank you.